Half a day, Marianas. My wife's going to make our local dish, Chamorro red rice, and we're gonna go check out Ob-Zan beach. Let's go. Alright, here are the ingredients. We got rice, achote, vegetable oil, black pepper, pink Himalayan salt. Alright, first you're going to add some of your room temp water to your achote seeds and scrub it with your hands to get the flavor and color out, hence the name red rice. The liquid is red, but when you cook it, it becomes orange. Next, you're going to rinse your rice twice to get the starch out. Today we are using jasmine rice because it's less starchy. Now you're going to drain your achote water into a separate container. I forgot to mention that we used also magic syrup. We're going to put all the dry ingredients into this achote water that you just put in a separate container. Got our chicken powder. We got our MSG of the day, Ajinomoto. Put your pink Himalayan salt. And then your black pepper. For the final touch, we're just going to add the oil into the slurry mix. And then we're just going to stir it up. Now we're going to pour our slurry into our rice pots evenly. And let's get cooking. Today is my wife's coworker's birthday, so she wanted to give something to her and just make our Chamorro red rice and then do some fried chicken and fish. Now we're checking on the rice. It looks good. So what we're gonna do now is mix it up and let it continue to cook. So one of the rice cookers wasn't doing good cooking the red rice. So my wife transferred it to this little basket, like a little steam basket, and it turned out really good. It continued to cook it and it looks beautiful. Alright, so both the rice is done, and the recipe that my wife got this from was from Netty Cee. Shouts out to her. Turned out pretty good for my wife's first time, and I really enjoyed it. Now that I got my belly full, let's head out to Ob-Zan beach just south of Saipan.